Tubbenden Lane. Very busy road.
Okay, Tubbenden Lane. From Tubbenden Skatepark.
Tubbenden.
This is the southwest, so we are at the limit of our postcode area. So this is the southwest we're going of London. Postcode is BR6. So yeah, this is it. Tubbenden Skatepark.
Oh. Some lights on the path.
But they're not on the skate park.
No. Very small park compared to the ones we've been in so far.
I think it goes fine.
Ah, yeah.
It's called open space. It's not even called a skate park. It's called an open space.
Ooh. Bikes, but not BMX.
Yeah, kids. Can't say that's scooters.
I love that. No path to the park. Gotta walk through the grass. Get yourself all muddy.
It's a thing. Many skate park without.
All right, what we got? 4 foot quarters. 2 exactly the same. I don't know why one needs to stick out, but maybe it's for transfers. Yeah. Let's try not to get their faces in. Mellow driveway. Driveway. Spine, big and wide. And to complete it, roll in, quarter pipe. Open nice. Skate light nice. Join into the ground nice. I could be wrong, but I think I read on another one from around this area that it's Fearless ramps resurfacing them, but not sure who originally made them. Yeah, this one's in good condition. Ground's a bit rough.
So, in many skate park we've been, I don't understand this thing with those massive spine. They're everywhere. Is it because of BMX here and I don't know, everywhere there's this massive spine. Spine is not a thing. Like really. Well, like if you have a quarter, like why do you have a spine? It's the same thing. And it's massive as well. You have to be so good to do this. It's very disappointing. I want an A-frame. What is this spine? And like imagine the speed you need to have. This is the spine
easily done on a bicycle, on a BMX.
On a bike, but on the skateboard, you can't. On the skateboard, literally, if you drop in there, I don't think you can't. You can jump in. I don't think so.
I think Aurora has a point. I feel like maybe the user group that designed these skate parks were solely BMX.
Council, that was the user group.
She's saying it's the council was the user group. Yeah, maybe it was a big BMX scene. And if I'm thinking back to Tubbenden Skatepark, which was, I'm 34, was built when I was around 11, 12. We're talking 20 years ago, so you've got to look at, if these are 20 years old, this is what was it 20 years ago. Big quarters, spine, transitions. They kept the driveway nice and mellow though, so that's a plus.
Even for skateboard, this is not made because there's no cupping on this spine. So yeah, it's a bit difficult.
Do you think it makes it more difficult for them to transfer over?
Yeah, I guess so. I'm not really a spine skater, but
I've only done like a 2 foot spine in Colombia, so I don't know. Yeah. Right, we'll sit on the bench, fill out the survey, and we will head to our next skate park of today. It is day 5 of finding the unused, unloved skate parks in and around London. Let us know if you see yours.